Are you planning to buy a camera? If you're planning to buy a camera, then this video is going to help you narrow down your options. I bought Canon 850D, also known as Rebel T8i. I'm going to tell you why I bought this camera, and by the time this video is over, you may be able to continue buying this exact model or choose a different model. That will be entirely a choice. Also based on the functions you'll be expecting from the device you want to buy and your budget. Please stay with me till the end of this video. You will be able to understand why I made this choice. Hi, welcome back. This is SDC channel. I'm Casteeve. If today is your first day of passing by, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button there so that you will always have the notification whenever we upload anything. And thank you also for my subscribers who are also with me. Thanks a lot. Today we're going to talk about Canon 850D, also known as Rebel T8i. I'm going to tell you what made me choose this camera. So as I said before, this may help you to narrow down your options, and in the end you may decide to choose this one as an entry level or stay with it as professional level camera. These are the things that will come with your camera, including the charger, we have our lens. This lens is 18-55 millimeters, and this is the body. So this is the package of 850D Rebel Ti. Okay, so let's try to put them together. As we go on, I will let you know why. Every camera right now in this current time, you can't say that you will choose this particular camera because it has 4K. Every camera almost have, including phones. So then why did I buy this one? I want something that is very much lighter for what I'm going to do. I'll be taking a lot of videos, and most of the time I will be alone. So my first option that I was looking for is to see myself here without adding extra things, extra screen, and that this camera gives me that option. With the LCD, I can turn it and look at myself whilst I'm taking the video. So this is one option. Option number two, this is also a touch screen, so I want that one. I fancy that too, and it is really light. If you go to the manual, you will see that it is almost 500 and something gram. It is not that much heavy. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, now I bought the lens cover, and also I bought a film to protect the lens. All these doesn't come with the package. If you want something like this, you have to buy them. Okay, good. Most of the time when you're using a camera like this, your finger will always be touching the screen and you won't feel comfortable. So that is why I decided to buy a film for that. And for protection, I bought the cover, the lens cover. At the shop, they made me understand that yes, this camera is with 4K as I mentioned before, but even if you are going to shoot 4K and the SD card inside there doesn't support 4K videos, you won't be able to get the 4K that you are looking for. Therefore, they recommended to me to buy something that supports 4K, which is Extreme Pro. So I bought 128 GB. Our SD card is already in. For our battery, it's already covered up. Okay, it goes in and we are ready. Everything is sets. As I told you, I'm now going to use this camera. This camera is going to be part of this production, and so stay tuned. When I bought this camera, it didn't come with manual. The manual is PDF that can be sent to you or be downloaded. If you go online, you will see that the specification they are talking about, they have 24.1 megapixels. They also have Wi-Fi. If your Bluetooth is enabled, you can also transfer your files from here to your computer or probably any device you want to send to whenever you are ready without taking the SD card out. It records 4K movies, HD, but the most important thing that made me choose this device is I needed something that I can connect my microphone. I want to record my video as long as it could whilst recording my audio. I want them to go together. As I said, you could be an entry-level photographer or videographer. You can always choose however you want to record your production. I looked for something that I can plug in my audio. Some of them, the functions are very good. It is very high and everything is there, but it doesn't have the microphone part. So I decided to pick a microphone part, which is also here. I like that part. It may not be the same reason as you want to choose your camera from. Your camera options might be different, though these options here may not differ from any other camera, but this is what I want. And on top of it, the budget is really good. This camera here, I got it less than $1,000. I got all of the other accessories thanks to Digital to Home. Digital to Home shop is where I bought this one, and I'm very glad that I bought from them. They were very accommodating, explaining things. Every question that I asked, they answered them politely. They were so nice to their customers. This model here, it doesn't automatically pop up your flashlight unlike before. It allows you to do it yourself. And I like that. Previous model that I was using, it was very annoying, but right now they allow you to pick it if you want it to be. I like this device, and I'm glad that I picked it up because I know it's going to help me. If this here has helped you today, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. This is all we have for you for today. This is SDC Tech. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.